Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can share your location on Snapchat with only one of your friends. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. So you want to click on the pin icon at the bottom left. Now once you click on the pin icon, once you're in the location part of your Snapchat, what you want to do is click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Now once you click on the setting icon, it's asking me to allow me to share my location. So if you guys have not yet turned on your location, first it's going to ask you to do that. So click on allow. But if your location is already on for Snapchat, it's not going to ask you for that. It's going to straight up take you to your settings of your Snapchat location. So just click on location once you're over here and choose always. Once you do that, you can just hop back to Snapchat again and then click on the setting icon again at the top right, and then it's going to bring you to your Snapchat setting. Now once you're over here, make sure ghost mode is turned on. If your ghost mode is on, basically your location will be on Snapchat, but no one will be able to see it. Alright, so make sure it's on. Now once it's on, you can see this option called live location, and right under live location it's going to show you the list of all your friends. From all of this, you want to choose to whom you want to share your location. So I want my location to be shared to Abhinav, so I will click on share live right beside his name. Now once you're over here, make sure you click on always and click on open setting, and just make sure to turn this notification on, and you're good to go. Now just like this, I have just shared my location with one person only, Abhinav. No one other than Abhinav in my friend list will be able to see my location now. So that's how you guys can share your location on Snapchat with only one person. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.